Hey friends, if you encounter the error can't load protection component OS error 0x7E on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the app as an administrator. Let's say that the app is ShareX. So search for it in the search bar and click on run as administrator. Okay. This should work. If it does not, then simply search for the app once again in the search bar. Click on app settings in the right pane. Scroll down, select terminate, then select repair. Wait till it is repaired and you get the tick mark here. Click on reset and then on reset once again. The last solution will be to reinstall the application. So search for the app and then select uninstall and then uninstall it. Search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for the app in the Microsoft Store and then you can reinstall the app from the Microsoft Store, or if it's not available then from its original website. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.